Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today's lesson is English lesson NCERT 5th standard chapter 3 My Shadow. As usual, I am going to read the lesson, explain you the lesson, and then we are going to solve the fill in the blanks and the question answers. And the other tasks which are given to you, the group discussion and the group task, all the tasks which you are going to do with your teachers and parents, you will be doing on your own at your home. Okay, so let's get started. So now let's read the lesson first. The name of the lesson is My Shadow. Do you know whenever there is light, someone follows you? Have you ever wondered who it is? It is your shadow which follows you, right? So now I'll read out the poem for you. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the hills up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So the boy in the poem says, वो बच्चा बोल रहा है कि I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. वो जो shadow है वो मेरे साथ अंदर बाहर करती है और मैं उसको देख सकता हूँ. And what can be the use of him? More than I can see. He is very very like me from the heels up to the head. वो बिल्कुल मेरे जैसा है पाँव से सिर तक. From heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into the bed. जब मैं बेड पे जंप करता हूँ तो वो भी मेरे साथ बेड पे जंप करता है. ओके Now the next page. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. One morning, very early before the sun, I was up. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So the बच्चा बोलता है कि the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. मतलब वो कैसी बढ़ती है उसकी shadow? Not at all like proper children, which is very slow. ये कभी slow नहीं बढ़ती, बहुत fast बढ़ती है. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. इंडिया रबर बॉल की तरह वो एकदम टॉल हो जाता है, शूट हो जाता है. जैसे ऊपर उछलता है बॉल वैसे एकदम शूट हो जाती है शेडो. एंड ही समटाइम्स गेट सो लिटिल दैट देयर इज नन ऑफ हिम एट ऑल. मतलब इतनी छोटी झट से हो जाती है कि बिल्कुल ही दिखाई नहीं देती. इट बिकम्स सो लिटिल दैट नन ऑफ हिम इज सीन एट ऑल. वन मॉर्निंग वेरी अर्ली बिफोर द सन आई वॉज अप. तो एक मॉर्निंग ये बच्चा बहुत जल्दी उठ गया था. ही वॉज वेरी अर्ली, उठ गया था बिफोर द सनराइज. एंड ही सॉ एंड फाउंड द शाइनिंग ड्यू. शबनम गिर रही थी, ड्यू गिर रहा था सब जगह पर. बट माई लेजी लिटिल शेडो लाइक एन एरेंट स्लीपी हेड. मतलब सूर्य उदय नहीं हुआ था इसलिए शेडो नहीं थी. इसलिए वो बोल रहा है कि उसकी शेडो बहुत लेजी थी. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. वो बोल रहा है कि उसकी शेडो घर पे ही रह गई थी और बेड पे सो रही थी, वो बाहर नहीं आ रही थी. ओके, समझ में आई पोएम बच्चों? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं अभी. New words. So the first word is India rubber ball. A ball that can bounce very high. बॉल जो बहुत ऊपर तक उछलता है, इसको इंडिया रबर बॉल कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज बटर कप. बटर कप मतलब अ येलो फ्लावर जिस पर शबनम गिर रही थी, ड्यू गिर रहा था. ओके. और थर्ड वन है एरेंट. एरेंट मतलब बैड, मतलब नॉटी, गंदा. नॉटी बॉय जिसे बोलते हैं ना हम, उसको एरेंट बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स रीड. जो नेक्स्ट है लेट्स रीड. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है. आई हैव डन इट फॉर यू ऑन अ पेज. आई हैव आंसर्ड द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. सो लेट्स रीड एंड आंसर. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज, who do you think the shadow looks like? The shadow looks like me from the hills up to the head. Okay, shadow कैसा दिखता है? मेरी तरह दिखता है पाँव से सिर तक. The shadow looks like me from the hills up to the head. Okay, the second question, why do you think your shadow jumps into the bed before you can? Because the shadow is falling on the bed. आपकी परछाई बेड पर गिर रही है, इसलिए आपको लगता है कि वो आपसे पहले बेड पर जंप करता है. ओके, द थर्ड इज, what time of the day do you think it is when your shadow is the tallest? Why? मॉर्निंग में आपकी शेडो सबसे लंबी दिखाई देती है. कब लंबी दिखाई देती है? when it is tallest. tallest मतलब लंबी, in the morning. Okay, now next is, read the lines from the poem and answer the following. Okay, he is very very like me from the hills up to the head. Now who does he refer to the in the poem? Who does he refer to? He refers to shadow. Okay, who does he refer to? He refers to shadow. Who does me refer to? Me मतलब the boy in the poem. Who does me refer to? The boy in the poem. And why are he and me alike? Because he is shadow of me. वो मेरी परछाई है. Because that is why we both are alike. He and me are alike. Okay, now we are finished with this part. Let's read. Now we will go to the next part. Now this is let's talk. Now this you have to do with your friends. आपके फ्रेंड के साथ आपको बैठ के ये टास्क पूरा करना है. लेट्स टॉक. जैसे कि व्हाट वुड यू डू इफ अ डॉग चेजेस यू. अगर कुत्ता आपके पीछे पड़ गया तो आप क्या करोगे? तो आपको फ्रेंड के साथ बैठ के आपको डिस्कस करना है. ओके, आगे के क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. आगे का टास्क भी आपको आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ बैठ के करना है. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, यू हैव फॉरगॉटन योर होमवर्क कॉपी एट होम. आपकी किताब आप घर पे भूल गए हैं होमवर्क की, तो क्या करोगे? यू आर अलोन इन अ रूम. अगर आप रूम में अलोन हैं, अकेले हैं, एंड द लाइट्स गो आउट, लाइट्स चली गई, तो आप कैसे रिएक्ट करोगे? यह भी आपको डिस्कस करना है. ओके, इन द फन टाइम. फन टाइम जैसे कि शाइन अ टॉर्च बिहाइंड योर हैंड एंड सी द शेडो ऑन द वॉल. ये सब आपको करना है. वॉकिंग टुगेदर भी आपको आपके ग्रुप में फ्रेंड्स के साथ करना है. डू द एक्शंस गिवन बिलो एंड ऑब्जर्व विच पार्ट ऑफ द फिंगर्स ऑफ योर हैंड इज बीइंग यूज्ड. ये भी आपको घर पे करना है. ओके, अभी लेट्स राइट. लेट्स राइट here fill in the blanks है. This I am going to solve for you. Okay, we'll read it carefully and then you have to write the fill in the blanks, the answer. Where is the child dash parents have come to school? Where is the child whose parents, WHOSE, whose है वो लिखना है. Where is the child whose parents have come to school? Okay, दिस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आई हैव डन फॉर यू इन द बुक. बुक पे लिखा हुआ मैंने, वो देखिए आप. फर्स्ट आंसर इज whose, WHOSE, whose. Okay, the second one is, I saw many houses which were quite spacious. Which is the answer? I saw many houses which were quite spacious. Okay, and the third one is, mathematics, which is my favorite subject, is so interesting. Which is the answer? Which? mathematics, which is my favorite subject, is so interesting. Abhi next one, fourth one. The poem which you read out is so lovely. Now here you can use both that and which also. The poem that you read out is so lovely and the poem which you read out is so lovely. Okay. Now next is, I know the street that he lives on. That is the answer. Okay. Now the next one is, I like reading books that have pictures in it. That is the answer. Both jagah that is the answer. Okay. Now the last question is, the old lady whom I met in your house is my neighbor. यहाँ पे आंसर है WHOM, whom. The old lady whom I met in your house is my neighbor. Okay. Now let's go to the next section. The next section you have to do at home with your family and friends. Complete the description by answering the questions. What do you think is the name of the dog? Why is he called that? What is his color? Or what do you think she is friendly? She is a she dog. What does she like to eat? ये सब आपको आंसर करना है. Okay? And say aloud. ये shoe, ship, shell, shadow, ship, shade, fish, dish, wish, ये rhyming words है. Bush, wash, brush, ये आप सबको read करने हैं. Okay? और ये poem भी. Now this is the poem. I'll read for you. When the sun shines, I can see my shadow right in front of me. When I walk, my shadow walks. When I hop, my shadow hops. When I jump, my shadow jumps. And when I stop, my shadow stops. So, this is a poem. You read this poem, and now this is the end of the lesson, friends. So, if you like this channel, like this lesson, like my teaching, share this video with your friends. And please learn English nicely and get good marks. Bye-bye. See you soon with the next video and the next lesson. Bye.